Hello everyone, Moto Trades here, Market Site Lab. Let's kick things off today with my number one stock, Hyliion. They had earnings yesterday. Earnings were great. The stock ran up to $5.44 and then immediately started coming down from there. So if you sold the top, congrats. You did very well. I did trim at 490, part of my position. Wish I would have trimmed more or cut the position, to be able to buy it back this morning or at the end of the day under $4. But the majority of the position I did hold. So for a brief time, made quite a bit of money on it. But now we are pretty much sitting at a break-even trade. So from here this morning, I want to see the stock hold 380, 385, possibly 370. Really, I want to see the stock is over $4 currently pre-market. If the stock can stay over $4, that's going to give me some good confidence to stay in the stock. I do expect that it can come down, retest that 380, and then go from there. But I'm kind of drawing a line in the sand with the stock at 370 for sure. I'm not going to go for a ride down to the 200-day, setting at about $3. I'll re-enter the stock if I see that the stock will hold that 200-day moving average. If it doesn't hold the 200-day moving average, then it's going to keep going. That just wouldn't be good for the stock, and really this stock may not recover. Unfortunately, I do like the company Hyliion. I think the technology is great. A lot of times the stock and the company can do two different things. And until the stock kind of proves itself and holds its ground and break that downward trend and start a new trend in an upward direction, that's how I have to play the stock. So moving on into the broader markets, I'm still short MSTR, bearish on Bitcoin. I added to that position. I also started a short position in gold. I think we could see a pullback. We have PPI this morning. The markets might be a little worried about the inflation numbers. And we do have some gaps. So the overall market might be a little exhausted and we see a pullback and retest our breakout areas. So that's another reason why I'm leaning a little bearish. I think we can come down and gap fill. So just short-term bearish at the moment. Oil's looking kind of calm, but it could break out. That would be another reason why markets pull back. So I started a short this morning on RGTI. We're just at an area that it's kind of a 50-50 whether it's going to be bearish or bullish. So it's something I'll just kind of watch and run a tight stop on. If I'm wrong and it's bullish, like I'll cut the short pretty quickly. But being that the broader markets look a little heavy and a little tired, I could see the quantum have a pullback today. Again, if I'm wrong, I will just hold a tight stop loss on it. So I'd like to say thank you to my subscribers and viewers. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share the content, that would be great. If there is a stock that you're interested in, or if you have a question, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I can add it to the report. And that's our market sight lap for today. Happy trading, everyone. Like always, this is in my opinion. Everyone should do what they're comfortable with or paper trade. This is just a forecast. Use it as a tool. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. And I will never DM you. Have a great day, everyone. Brah.